yazi deep down bengalingilindele ukuthi uNtanzi is going to be killed by uZama, and I'm so shocked by the fact that he was killed by uSanele. And you know, Asula, more than anything, the fact that Usanele also died, and it doesn't make sense to me. So I want to talk about that and more here in this video. But before we start the video, I would like to request you to subscribe to the channel. If you subscribe to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Now, I really wish that they did not kill him to do it back like a month ago, because I think what would have made sense. We were in a situation, but then they decided to kill him, so it's fine. Now, the stress why the situation that just happened with the finale of Ithong. They all very Kamusanel, actually Uzama Pablo killed Ubanele, Nanuzama, Avela just like that. Nah, it doesn't make sense. You know, I wanted this reveal to be something that is authentic. I wanted this reveal to be like as exciting as it should have been. Imagine it was like like one episode had a lot of things that were happening. For instance, you know, Untanzi shouldn't have died. Untanzi, guys, but good wrong about the finale of this show. And I understand again the sense. Guys, it does make sense. You know, I wanted Untanzi to fight. I want Msana to get into deep trouble. Ngendlela yokuthi kumele azadinge uBanele ukuthi afika zomrest. Yo, I'm probably getting too deep into this. Maybe you guys know better than I do. So comment down in the comment section. Share thoughts, share opinions about this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can remember my previous videos. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.